Holding it like it's a baby.
Because it is a baby.
I don't like that.
Can I stop?
No.
I would have you courtside, not the middle row. All good love in a minute though.
What's going on over here? Way too hot to be messing around on this pavement. What's going on over here?
Oh, welcome. We're just drawing butterflies and flowers over here. Nothing, you know, nothing that tells you what to do. It's time to work on my car again. The day has come. You guys been waiting for a while now. I don't know if you guys seen my last video, but my car was kind of like wanting to die.
Oh shit, her car's dying. Her car is dying. Pull over!
I believe it's the battery. If not, it's gonna be the alternator, so that'll be another project, but I think it's the battery. So today we're gonna go get a new battery, see if that was the problem. Oh, sorry.
Don't go out of breath now.
Also, today I want to see if I can fix the AC as well. So I can drive with my windows closed and, you know, no sweat, no heat. Yeah. Hot in there. It's like I haven't opened it in days.
It's because you haven't opened it in days.
Oh yeah? It's like really hot in there.
You picked the hardest and hottest days to do this.
Anyways, this is where my battery is. As you can see, it doesn't have a battery tray because, you know...
Not because of me, don't look at me.
No. It's because of this guy right here behind the camera.
Don't look at me.
He said, oh yeah, you don't need this, throw it out. And I said, yeah, I'm sure. And, you know, now it's like bouncing everywhere. But it's been staying on. So I don't know if to get a bigger, different battery for the music and the lights that I have inside the car, or if just to stick with the same battery. I'm deciding. Because if I stick with the same battery, I'll just need a different battery for the back for my music, keep it separate. Well, it's gonna be connected, but you know, it's gonna be back there. Honestly, I kind of want to just get the same battery and then later on add the second battery for the music and just not rock with the music for a bit. Because I want to drive my car, you know, I want to take my car out. I'm tired of it just sitting here. I wonder if I'm supposed to be wearing some type of gloves. Ugh. Positive is out of the way. I want to make sure it's out the way. Ooh. And then the negative, I think it's a bigger size, the bolt right here. It looks like a 13 or a 12. It looks like a 13.
Out she goes. Bag secured, bag secured.
Let's get in.
We got something for you, yeah we do.
Ooh, battery secured.
Holding it like it's a baby.
Because it is a baby. Positive goes on that side and negative goes on this side for my car. Woo! I'd say this is probably like 20 pounds. 20 pounds, yeah. Put the negative side first. Man, this looks so wrong.
It's not.
Oh look, and the bolt's now on this side. Why was it the other way then?
This is probably flipped upside down and stuff.
Look, it's upside down. Yeah, at least I'll have the lights, you know. We'll be fine without music. Imagine if
That's why the cap is there, because of, you know, you.
people like me.
Yes.
That's pretty tight. Ugh. I'm gonna have to zip tie it again. This battery is pretty heavy. There you go.
It might actually spark now, you know.
Yeah, I'm sure. At least it'll be in 4K.
That baby ass spark.
Sheesh, might be the alternator, guys. Might just be the alternator.
No.
I wonder if that was safe.
Stephanie.
Ooh. Wrap it around. Whoa, I'm wrapping it around. Whoa, I heard you sparking. Whoa. I'm just covering my music wire so that when I drive and bounce and go airborne, it doesn't touch the car and cause any future problems. Let's hope it starts so we can add this, and let's hope this works and gives us cool air.
I think if it works and it gives you cold air, you're gonna sleep in this car tonight.
That's why it was heavy. You got bricks in your tool bag. Look at that. bricks. I just hurt my toe with your bricks.
Prepared for everything.
And
That?
We don't think the alternator is the problem because as soon as we take this negative cable, the car turns off, it dies, and then we have to restart it again like that. So we believe it's this right here. We believe it's the terminal and maybe the wire as well because
It's the terminal.
my boyfriend thinks it's just the terminal, but I think it's the wire and the terminal. Comment down below what you think it is. If it's both, if it's just the terminal, let me know what you think. Can you guys hear me?
Probably not.
working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes.
Is the can getting cold?
Yeah. Might work.
What? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
The AC coolant did not work. That was a fail. We might have to get a new AC compressor and redo that. Pain.
Oh, don't cry, are you?
As you can see, it's raining again and we're not going to do that again. We're not going to do that. We got the terminal, so tomorrow we'll be applying this. Don't forget. I don't know if this was the source. Hopefully it was, because I want my car to be running, you know. Trying to get things done. Once again, comment down below if you think it's the wire. Let's see if it sparks. Ooh,
Barely though. Oh, there we go. Oh my god, the smile. The smile. So it was the terminal.
that may have been the problem. It turned on fine. I just gotta test it out every single day. Should I drive it?
No, where you going?
Oh, yeah.
You can't even drive.
Explain what happened. What we discovered yesterday. We took it out for a test run. We wanted to see how long it would last. Couldn't take it far because look, I don't know if you guys can see, but the spindle is touching the strut, so it's really tight in there. There's no clearance. It's rubbing on each other. So the only solution would be moving the top hat more this way. And as you can see, there's no hole, so we're gonna have to cut it more so this can move more there and there's more clearance. We'll be using a Dremel tomorrow, opening it up and so like that we can drive it as well. The battery is fine, so I'm about to retint my car because it's faded. It's like gone. Where's my tint? Tints who? But yeah, no more at. There's only an at right here. It's fire because I had a sticker there before that said flawless. And now it's like a shadow, so it's John Steph flawless, you know? Because I'm flawless.
It's a nice position.
Oh my god. I don't want to get my shirt dirty. At this point, if you don't know how to remove your struts, I don't know what to tell you. I've shown you like 20 million times. Strut is out. Done. We're done. I'm so thankful for your tools.
Oh, I know. You better be.
I mean,
No, you didn't. Don't even say you bought them.
this is why I love a breaker bar, because no matter how tight a bolt is, a breaker bar will always crack it loose. Oh, I can't do this with one hand. Oh. But I already cracked it loose, as you can see. So, breaker bar, I love you.
It's under the car. It's fine.
look at my cut. If it fits, it fits. Look, it fits. So hopefully that gives us clearance and I won't be rubbing anymore. So I'm sure it will though. Right side is done. Now we just gotta put the struts back on. That was pretty easy, honestly.
We just went to -35.
I was just joking. Okay fam, that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it all the way to the end. Before we end this video, I want to say thank you to all my 5,000 subscribers. We did it in a matter of only like 4 months. Now we just keep growing with your help, so please go give this video a like, comment down below, share it. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Next video, I'll be taking my car out to a special place, so please stay tuned and put your post notifications on so you don't miss out on that video. See you guys next time. I think we're just gonna leave it like that much. Just leave it. It's hot. It's time to work on the car. That's why, Munch. I don't know if this would fit. But 13. This is mine. What size is this? 10. 12.